Hi everybody, I'm Tara from Crooked Row, and today we are actually in the chicken coop. It's kind of dark in here. It is a beautiful fall day and the chicken coop is absolutely nasty. My daughter takes care of our chickens and she was gone for the weekend, and so I was taking care of the chickens, and I came inside and was like, oh, I hope you can hear me with the wind. And I came inside this coop and was like, oh, it's absolutely disgusting. I'll show you. So all of this material is wood chips that have actually turned colors, and this is what they sleep on. Some of them are knocked down right now, and we will pull all this out and we're going to sanitize it. We're going to sanitize the walls and sanitize. They've been perching on that little bucket, so we're going to add some more perches in here. This is where they actually come in to take dust baths because it's out of the weather. And so what we like to do is we put some ash. Sometimes we have dirt in there, but they like to kick some of the wood chips into, or not wood chips, wood shavings into there as well. We're just going to go around and kind of sanitize everything. We're going to add more wood chips, pull all of this out, put it in our compost, but then we're going to add fresh wood shavings. But first, everything has to be removed and sanitized. So as you can see, we totally have our work cut out for us. I'm going to make a suggestion that you, if it's fall time, actually, if your chickens are going to be in your coop, don't use bleach. Use vinegar or vinegar and water. Try to use something more natural based. Chickens tend to have some pulmonary problems, especially when they're exposed to artificial, not artificial, chemical smells and things. They seem to react pretty well. Sorry for the light changes. They seem to react pretty well with vinegar, so it doesn't seem to affect their lungs, but I think that vinegar is strong enough to kill probably what's in here. If you have some sort of odd infestation or just whatever, take your chickens out and do it with bleach, but then let it aerate for a day or two. Don't stick your chickens in there. They're so sensitive. But today we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna use, of course, water, lots of water, but vinegar based. We might use a little Dawn, but hopefully we won't have to go that far. So let's get started cleaning that coop. That is such a good idea, Jed, to bring this in for a roost. Because we can't use it anymore for it's completely destroyed for a gate. So we're gonna prop it up on some cinder blocks. I think we might need 2 more.
Dad, I need you to look it up, bud.
This is a big one. This will hold a bunch of chickens. There's one. Don't you like my idea, Chris Parker? Actually, it wasn't my idea. It was Jed's.
Was it?
Wasn't it, Jed?
Yeah, my idea was bringing the gate in here. Good thing we can...
Okay, here's Elijah. Look at that. I mean, I think this is a 16-foot gate. And now we have 16 feet times 3. What is that? Math is not my strong suit.
6 times 2 is what, 32, 42, 48?
Okay. See, you're the smart one. Okay, so one thing that we have left to do, and we're trying to hurry up because it's getting dark, is we have to fill their little nesting box, but it's not really a nesting box, it's really a dust bath box. That it also doubles for a nesting box, it also doubles for a whatever box for the chickens. But so we're gonna go ahead and dry that out because Missy cleaned it, and then we're gonna put in our ashes. Let me just go ahead and show you. These are our ashes from the house where we burn wood. And so we're just gonna go ahead and put those in there, and they love to take dust baths in this. Okay, and now we'll dump the ashes in there. And Daddy, why do chickens take dust baths?
Chickens take dust baths to clean themselves.
And it suffocates.
What it does is they get the dust or ash, whatever they can get, up under their feathers and under their skins, and so it will suffocate mites
and
so
lice
and lice and
other
things
bugs,
like that.
yeah.
So it keeps down the bugs that they have.
Yeah.
Kind of keeps them clean.
Awesome. Okay, and here is our pan full of ashes. The hens are anxiously awaiting to get back in their coop. The sun is going down and they want to eat dinner and get cozy. What you got, Missy?
Wet food.
Wet food?
Mm-hmm.
Is it nighttime eating?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go and show our nighttime eating and how we get the chickens to go in their coop, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna let you in and then I'm gonna close the door so that you can call to them, okay?
Okay.
Okay, go ahead. It's heavy, huh?
Yeah, it's heavy.
Okay. Well, there you have it. We have cleaned the coop. We have cleaned their roosts. We have put down fresh bedding. We have sterilized everything. They have a new dust bath and they have a new roost in there, and we'll see how that works out and let you guys know. I think, come here, Missy. I think that Selah does a really, really good job. And with the chickens, and I think that we have happy chickens. So if you have any questions, put it in the comments below. And remember, if we can take care of our chicken coop,
Anybody can. Bye.